Abigail.
Abigail.
She says, I did it before, I can do it again. Yay!
Yay, Abigail.
Good girl, Abigail.
Orange.
That's a good girl.
Orange.
Yeah.
Orange. Good girl. What color is that?
Orange.
Green.
Yeah, good eye there.
What color is that?
Oops.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. And that one is
Oh my goodness.
puzzles, and that is red.
That's it. Oh, here you go.
Feather floppy hoppy hats. Where's the hat at?
Oh.
Yay!
You got it, Abigail.
Clang bang stir pots.
Oh, wait till Papa sees this video.
Run or stretch.
Oh, she sounds a lot like Nathaniel in some of her